weather all summer long. It's Monday, July 26th. That's right, today is hot, it's a scorcher, it's más caliente. That's right, today's supposed to be 85 degrees in case you didn't know, because I'm letting you know. 85 degrees with a high humidity at 75%, but tonight it's gonna be about 72 degrees, but even more humidity, 75% to 80%. What does that mean? That means hot as fuck, it's sticky, icky. So if you need your air conditioning, you know what to call. Louis the Bono at 516-377-5200. And just in case you didn't know, today is what? National Bagel Day too. So when you call me and you hire me, I'll bring you the next best coffee, the next best bagel in town. And that's right, you get to see this handsome Hvac. Woo!